Now, Abuti, say hello to the children.
Sanibona bantwana.
Today we're learning how to greet people in isiZulu. Are you ready, kids?
Sawubona.
Unjani?
Oh, look, it's Sisi.
Sawubona, unjani?
Ngiyaphila. Wena unjani?
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. When we say unjani, it means how are you? And when we answer by saying ngiyaphila, it means I am fine. You see how easy it is? Now let's see how Abuti and Sisi use these phrases.
Sawubona.
Unjani?
Ngiyaphila. Sawubona. Unjani?
Oops, that cat doesn't seem very happy.
Sawubona. Unjani?
Ngiyaphila.
And now you can greet people in isiZulu. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, Sisi. See you next time.
Salani kahle.